Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. We are in applications of derivative chapter and we are doing last exercise number 6.5, which is related to maxima minima. Till now we completed 5 problems in this maxima minima. In this class we will do another 3 problems. This is sixth problem and seventh problem. You see here this function is defined on closed interval a comma closed interval 0 comma 3. You know how to find maximum values, minimum value when the function is defined on closed interval a comma b. In last problem we discussed these things only. And you see this problem also, the function defined on closed interval 0 comma 2 pi. Let's see how to solve these problems. Before that, you observe this question, what they are asking in this question. Find the maximum profit that a company can make. Generally, what companies want, they want profit. Not only that, they want maximum profit, right? So we need to find maximum profit of the company. For that, they given one profit function. They given p of x here. We need to find maximum value of this function. You know, to find maximum values or minimum values of the function, we'll use either first derivative test or second derivative test. In most of the cases, we use second derivative test only. Okay, what is second derivative test? We discussed this clearly in the first class of maximum minimum. However, I'll quickly recall. Which function maximum values, minimum values we want to find, we will take that function as f of x. Okay. After that, we will calculate f dash of x. We will differentiate f of x. That is step 1. Step 2, we will find critical points. Critical points are the points where the function attains maximum values or minimum values. How to find the critical points? You just equate f dash of x to 0. You will get x values. Those x values are known as critical points. After that, in step 3, we will calculate f double dash of x. After calculating f double dash of x, we will calculate f double dash of a as well as f double dash of b. If f double dash of a is greater than 0, we say that f of x attains minimum value. If f double dash of a is less than 0, we say that f of x attains maximum value. These things I clearly discussed in first class of maximum minima. I am just quickly recalling what is second derivative test, those who are watching this video first time. Okay. Now, this is the profit function they given. What to find? We need to find when this profit is maximum. To find maximum values, minimum values, we will use either first derivative test or second derivative test. In this problem, I am using second derivative test. What is the first step? Calculate p dash of x. Okay. Calculate p dash of x. Differentiate this. Derivative of 41. 41 is constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Minus derivative of 72x. 72 into derivative of x is 1. That is 72 only. Minus 18 into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x na. So 18 into 2x is 36x. So this is 36x. So we calculated p dash of x. First step is over. Second step is what? Finding critical points. To find the critical points, you equate p dash of x to 0. Okay. If p dash of x equal to 0, I'll equate this to 0. If p dash of x equal to 0. What is p dash of x? Minus 72 minus 36x equal to 0. You take minus 36x to right hand side part, then what you will get? You will get that 36x equal to minus 72. Okay, 36 in this 72 2 times. So x equal to minus 2. So we got the critical point. X is minus 2. Okay, so we done the second step. This is over. Now third step is what? We'll calculate p double dash of x. Okay, calculate p double dash of x. P double dash of x. What is p dash of x? This is p dash of x. Na? You differentiate it, you will get p double dash of x. Here minus 72 is constant. Derivative of constant is what? 0. Okay, 0 minus derivative of 36x. Minus 36 into derivative of x is 1. So this is a minus 36. 0 minus 36. So we calculated p double dash of x. We got it as minus 36. Okay. Now we need to calculate f double dash of a. Here a is minus 2. So what I'll do? I'll calculate p double dash of minus 2. How to calculate this? Here p double dash of x is there, na? Look here. Here p double dash of x is there, na? In place of x you write minus 2. Here this is a constant function. This is no way linked with x, right? So p double dash of minus 2 is also what? P double dash of minus 2 also minus 36. So we calculated p double dash of a and we got it less than 0. Minus 36 is clearly less than 0, right? As p double dash of a is less than 0, what we say? We say that function attains maximum value. So I'll write that. Therefore, p of x attains maximum value. P of x attains maximum value where? At x equal to minus 2. What is the maximum value? Maximum value means here maximum profit. Maximum profit is what? How to get maximum profit? This is p of x. Na? In place of x you write minus 2. See, this is p of x. Na? In place of x you write minus 2. What you will get? 41 minus 72x. 72 into, in place of x you write minus 2, minus 18 into minus 2 whole square. In p of x, in this, in place of x you write minus 2. Okay, simplify this. What you will get? 41 minus of minus plus 72 into 2, that is 144, minus 18 into 4. What is 18 fours are? 18 fours are 72. Okay, you simplify this. What you will get? If you simplify this, you will get 113. So what we can say? The maximum profit of the given function is 113. In this way, we can calculate maximum values, minimum values of any function by using second derivative test. Right. Now we'll move to next problem. You see this 7th question. Find both maximum value and minimum value. We need to find both maximum value and minimum value of this function on this interval. Here you see this is closed interval. This is closed interval. You know, in last class also, question number 5, I think. Yes, in question number 5, total 4 bits are there. When the function is defined on closed interval a comma b, how to find maximum values, minimum values, we discussed it. To do maximum values, minimum values of this function, we won't use any first derivative test or second derivative test. What I'll do, first I'll write steps here. Which function maximum values, minimum values we want to find, we'll take that function as f of x. We'll calculate f dash of x. This is step 1 actually. We'll calculate f dash of x. Next we'll find the critical points. We'll calculate f dash of x now. We'll equate it to 0. Then you will get critical points, x equal to abc, something like that. You will get the critical points. After calculating critical points, in third step, what we'll do, we'll calculate, see this closed interval is there. Na? For example, if you take this one, I'll calculate f of 0, f of 3, 1 minute, f of 3, f of a, look here, f of a, f of b, f of c. We will calculate those things, f of a, f of b, f of c, including these end values. Okay, in these values, after calculating these values, which value is the least? We say that the function attains a minimum value at that point. In these values, which value is greatest? We say that the function attains, that is the maximum value of the given function. Right, this we discussed in 5th problem also. Okay, first point, which function maximum values, minimum values we need to find? This is the function. I'll name this function as f of x. Okay, this is the function f of x, right? This is the function f of x. As the function is defined on closed interval a comma b, we are not going to use second derivative test or first derivative test. Okay, so what I'll do, first I'll differentiate this. Calculate f dash of x. 3 into derivative of x power 4. Derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube. This is 12x cube. Okay, 12x cube minus 8 into derivative of x cube is 3x square. Right? 8 3s are 24x square minus 24x square minus derivative of 48x. 48 into derivative of x is 1 minus 48. Derivative of constant is 0. So what I got here, 12x cube minus 24x square. Somewhere we did wrong, I think. Yes, we missed this. We missed this one, right? So 1 minute, please. Derivative of this is 12x cube. Derivative of this is 24x square. Okay, plus derivative of this is what? Derivative of this is 12 into derivative of x square is 2x, that is plus 24x minus Derivative of 48x is 48. Derivative of 25 is 0. Right? So we calculated f dash of x. Okay, good. Now what is the next step? You equate f dash of x to 0 to get the critical points. Okay, if f dash of x equal to 0. Okay, what is f dash of x? This is f dash of x. If this f dash of x is equal to 0, what I'll do to get these x values, I'll simplify this equation. You can see we can take 12 common, right? Take 12 common. If you take 12 common, what you will get? X cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Here 12 will be there, here 12 common. If you take 12 to this side, 0 divided by 12 is 0 only. So I'm not writing the 12. Okay. Here one problem is there to get x values. What is that problem? This is a cubic equation. If it is a quadratic equation, we'll split the middle term, we'll get the things easily. Now, to split this further, you need to know that synthetic division or else Horner method, that you need to know, right? So, I'll try to explain quickly what is that synthetic division. Synthetic division is such a thing that we can, by using that, we can convert cubic equation into quadratic equation or further into linear cubic. We can write cubic equation in terms of factors, linear factors or quadratic factors like that. Let's see how to simplify this. Here x cube term is there, x square term is there, x term is there, constant term is there. No term is missing in this order, that is important. X cube, x square, x constant. Okay. You see x cube coefficient is what? X cube coefficient is 1. You write 1 over there. Next x square coefficient is what? X square coefficient is minus 2. Okay, you write there. Next x coefficient is what? X coefficient is 2. Okay. Next constant. What is constant? Minus 4. You write like this. Now it is fixed always. You put 0 here. Put 0 here. Now you verify for x equal to 1. You verify for x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2. Like that we need to verify. I don't want to waste time here. I'll just check, verify by taking x equal to 1. Let's see. We'll get 0. We'll get 0 here or not. What way to check? 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. Now you need to multiply these two things. This is the method, Horner method, right? 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is what? That is minus 1. Okay. 1 into 1. 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Okay. Now 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1 only. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Actually, you need to get 0 here. Until you will get 0, you will check like this. Here x equal to 1, we didn't get 0 here. Now we will check x equal to minus 1. Next we will check x equal to 2. Next we will check x equal to minus 2. Maximum you will get 1, 2, 3. In that places only you will get here, right? So what I will do, I will just remove these things. I will check x equal to 2. I'll take x equal to 2. Okay. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay. 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Okay. Minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is what? Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Okay. 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Okay. Now 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay. Now 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is what? 2 into 2 is minus 4. Sorry, 2 into 2 is 4. Right? Okay. Minus 4 plus 4. What is minus 4 plus 4? Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Okay. So we got 0 here. Then how to write? Look here. Here plus 2 is there. Na? X equal to plus 2. We got 0 here. Na? So what I'll write? This can be written as minus 2. If here minus 2 is there, then we'll write here x plus 2. That is the procedure. Let me finish this. Okay. Now here what is pending? Here 3 terms are there. Na? Start from here. This is constant term. This is x term. This is x square term. Okay. X square term. Constant. X term. X square term. Okay. You starts with x square coefficient is 1. 1 into x square is x square. Plus 0 into x. 0 into x is 0 only. This is constant. Plus 2. Okay. See, if you multiply these two 100%, you will get this only. If you want, you can check. Multiply. Let's multiply. What you will get? X cube. Okay, x cube plus 2x. X cube plus 2x, multiply these two, minus 2x square minus 4. You can see these two are same. You can see these two are same, right? So this is the way to reduce this further. Now you can see here product of two terms is 0. Product of two terms is 0 means either this is 0 or this is 0. So what you can write here, x minus 2 equal to 0 or x square plus 2 equal to 0. From this what you will get, x equal to 2 or x square equal to minus 2. See here, there is no real x value which satisfies this condition. X square is negative, x square is greater than or equal to 0. There is no real x value which satisfies this equation. Therefore, what is x? X equal to 2. In this problem, critical point is little tricky one. If you know the synthetic division, you can do these problems very easily. Okay. So I calculated critical points. After calculating critical points, only one point you got. What are the things you need to calculate? Look here. You need to calculate f of 0, f of 3, f of 2. Right? I'll write here. What I'll do better things. Okay, 1 minute. What happened? All right. This is f of x. What things we need now? We need f of 0. Yes. Next we need f of 3. Next critical point you got 2 na? We need to calculate f of 2. These things we need to calculate. F of 0, wherever x is there, there you write 0. It's very simple. You will get 25. F of 3, in place of x you write 3. 3 into 3 power 4, 81 minus 8 into 3 cube, 27 plus 12 into 3 square, 9 minus 48 into 3 plus 25. If you simplify this, you will get 16. I am not calculating, you just calculate, you will get 16. F of 2. Next, f of 2. In this, in place of x, you write 2. What is that? 3 into 2 power 4 is 16 minus 8 into 2 cube is 8 plus 12 into 2 square is 4 minus 48 into 2 plus 25. If you simplify this, you will get minus 39. You will get minus 39. I want you to do this. Okay. So you observe here which is the greatest value. See here 25 is the greatest value. What is the least value? Minus 39 is the least value. So we say that the function is maximum value is 25 and it is maximum at 0, and minimum value is 39 and it is minimum at 2. We will write the same thing. So f of x is maximum where at x equal to 0. What is the maximum value? Maximum value is 25. Okay, maximum value is 25. Next, f of x is minimum. F of x is minimum at x equal to 2. What is the minimum value? Minimum value is what? Minimum value is minus 39. I hope you understand solution of this problem, right? Now we'll move to next problem. This problem little lengthy. Okay. At what points in this interval? Does the function attains maximum value? Okay. And here the point is this function is defined on closed interval, right? So same procedure, what procedure we followed for question number 7, same procedure we'll do for this problem also. First thing, what is the function? Maximum values, minimum values you want to find. The function is sine 2x. Okay. So I'll take sine 2x as f of x. You take f of x as sine 2x. As the function is defined on closed interval, I just want to find the critical points. How you will get the critical points? You just calculate f dash of x, equate it to 0. You will get x values. Those are the critical values. Okay. I'll calculate f dash of x. You know chain rule differentiation. You imagine this as x. Derivative of sin x is what? Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin 2x is what? Derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into derivative of 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. Okay. As I want to find the critical points, if f dash of x equal to 0, what is f dash of x? 2 into cos 2x. 2 into cos 2x equal to 0. Take this 2 to the right hand side part. What you will get? You will get that cos 2x equal to 0. You know this, when cos x is 0, in trigonometric equations, see, trigonometry, wherever you go, it follows. Trigonometry knowledge is compulsory, right? What are the x values? X values, whenever x is odd multiple of pi by 2, like x is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2. For all those values, cos x is 0. What is the general solution for cos x equal to 0? General solution for cos x equal to 0 is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. This is what we learn. See, 2n plus 1 means odd number into pi by 2. You remember like that. Okay. So, what is 2x here? 2x is odd number. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. What is n? N is an integer. In this, n is there, na? N is an integer. And we need x values in this interval only. We want x values which satisfies this trigonometric equation in this interval only. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just simplify this further. What is x from this? X equal to 2n plus 1 into pi divided by 4. Okay, here n is integer na, in this formula. What I'll do, in place of n, I'll write 0. Put n equal to 0 in this. What you will get? X equal to pi by 4. X equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is there in this interval. Closed interval 0 comma 2 pi. Look here. This is closed interval 0 comma 2 pi na. In this interval pi by 4 is there? Yes, it is there. Okay. Now what I'll do? In place of n, I'll write 1. Put n equal to 1 in this. If you put n equal to 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3 into pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135 degrees. 135 degrees is there in this interval. Yes, it is there. Now you put n equal to 2. Put n equal to 2. What you will get? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 pi by 4. Yes, it is 5 pi by 4. Okay. 5 pi by 4 value is what? 5 pi by 4 value is 225 degrees. 225 degrees is there in this interval. Yes, it is there. Now you put n equal to 3. In this, in place of n, you write 3. What you will get? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 pi by 4. What is 7 pi by 4? 7 pi by 4 value is 315. 7 into 45. You calculate 7 into 45, right? 315. Yes, it is there, 315 in this. Next, in place of n, you write 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 4. 9 pi by 4, you will get 405 degrees or something like that, which is not in this interval. So, these are the x values which lies in this interval and satisfying this equation. So, we got the critical points, right? We got the critical points. Now, what are the things to be calculated? First thing, I need to calculate f of 0, f of 2 pi. I'll write those things. I need to calculate f of 0. Next, f of 2 pi. Next, f of pi by 4, f of 3 pi by 4, f of 5 pi by 4, f of 7 pi by 4. These things, right? F of pi by 4. Okay. F of 3 pi by 4. Okay. F of 7 pi by 4. F of 7 pi by 4. Okay. I need to calculate these values. To calculate these values, what is f of x? I'll write here. What is f of x? In the question, f of x is given as a sine 2x. F of x is sine 2x. Okay. F of x is sine 2x. Okay. Now, f of 0. In place of x, you write 0. What you will get? Sine 2 into 0 is 0. That is sine 0. Sine 0 value is 0. F of 2 pi. F of 2 pi. That means sine 2 into 2 pi. 2 into 2 pi is what? 4 pi. Sine 4 pi value is what? Trigonometry knowledge is compulsory. Sine 4 pi is 0. Sine 6 pi is 0. Sine 10 pi is 0. Whenever sine theta is 0, theta is n pi. We learned this in trigonometric equations, first year class 11 trigonometry, right? Okay. Next, f of pi by 4. That means in this, in place of x, you write pi by 4. Sine 2 into pi by 4. This is nothing but sine pi by 2. 2 in this 4 2 times. Sine pi by 2 value 1. Okay. Sine 2 into 3 pi by 4. This is nothing but sine 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 270 degrees. 270 degrees means it is in on the negative y-axis. This is minus 1, right? Or else you can calculate like this also. Sine 3 pi by 2 can be written as 2 pi minus pi by 2, correct? 4 pi minus, yes, 3 pi by 2. 2 pi is there, na function remains same, sine pi by 2. 2 pi minus pi by 2 is in fourth quadrant sine is negative. This is minus sine pi by 2 minus 1. I'm not spending much time here to explain these values. You must know these things you done in class 11 trigonometry, okay? So, or else if you know the trigonometry table from 0 to 360 degrees, you can write it directly. Okay, all the things we written are total 4 values, 3 pi by 4. After 3 pi by 4, one more thing is there here, 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4, next f of 7 pi by 4. F of 7 pi by 4. Okay, f of 5 pi by 4. In place of x, you write 5 pi by 4 sine 2 into 5 pi by 4. This is sine 5 pi by 2, right? What is sine 5 pi by 2 value? 5 pi by 2 na, sine 5 pi by 2. Sine, this can be written as 3 pi minus pi by 2. Yes, 3 pi minus pi by 2. As 3 pi is there, this is sine pi by 2 only. 3 pi by 2 minus theta, which quadrant? See, we know these things. Pi minus theta. Pi minus theta, second quadrant. Pi plus theta, third quadrant. Odd number into pi minus theta, second quadrant. Listen carefully. Odd number into pi minus theta, second quadrant. Odd number into pi plus theta, third quadrant. Here this is odd number. Odd number into pi minus theta is second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. Sine pi by 2 value 1. So this value is 1. Now you need to calculate sine 7 pi by 4. In this, in place of x, you write 7 pi by 4 sine 2 into 7 pi by 4. That is sine 7 pi by 2. Okay. 7 pi by 2 sine 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2 can be written as sine 4 pi minus pi by 2. As 4 pi is there, it comes like this. You see an even number into pi minus theta. I already explained all these things, sir. In case if you have doubt in trigonometry, I done trigonometry chapter. Go to the description, check those things, right? Even number into pi minus theta, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sign is negative. This is minus sine pi by 2. This is minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. Right. So in this, what they are asking in the question? Function sine 2x attains maximum value. At what points in this interval function attains maximum value? In this, what are the maximum values? 0 is there, 1 is there, minus 1 is there. 1 is the maximum value. This function attains maximum at 2 points. What are those things? At x equal to pi by 4, at x equal to 5 pi by 4. At x equal to pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, the function attains maximum value. I'll write the same thing. At x equal to pi by 4, comma 5 pi by 4, f given sine 2x, given function sine 2x attains maximum value. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please drop a like, share this video with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. And you know that we are having our own Android app, BR Max Class. For more courses, you can check that is Android app. You please download Android app BR Max Class. You can find more details over there. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.